Modern problems require modern solutions, and India has been at the forefront in turning crisis into opportunity. Leading the fight against COVID-19, India has come up with various innovations that has served the need of the hour. Blazing a trail in the field of artificial intelligence, a new platform named X-Ray Setu has been devised for early intervention through rapid screening of COVID-19 over WhatsApp. It has been developed by a not-for-profit foundation, Art Park, AI and Robotics Technology Park, established by the Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru, with the support from Department of Science and Technology. To gain more insights about this AI-driven platform, PBNS had a detailed conversation with Mr. Umakant Soni, co-founder and CEO of Art Park.
And we developed this X-Ray Setu. Now we've launched it as a chatbot so that it's easy for anybody to use. So as long as you know how to use WhatsApp, you can access us, and that is very important, especially for doctors, because they're very busy people, right? So as soon as the patient walks in with an X-ray report, they can put it up on the white light viewer, and they can capture a snap of that and send it to us on X-Ray Setu, right? And we can run the AI algorithms on that, and we will send back the report to them on the same WhatsApp number. And then with that X-ray report in hand, and along with the other evidence, they can start the work on the patient quickly.
X-Ray Setu has been tested and validated with over 125,000 X-ray images from National Institute of Health, UK, as well as over 1,000 plus Indian COVID patients. It can detect low-resolution X-ray images over WhatsApp and has shown excellent performance with 98.86% sensitivity and 74.74% specificity.
We were registering a very high sensitivity because we don't want to let anybody who has COVID, and we don't want to classify him as not having COVID. So that's why it is biased towards having a very high sensitivity for detecting COVID. The specificity, of course, is lower in the sense that 75% of the people, will be detected right, but 25% of the people that we are detecting as COVID may not be having COVID as well, right? But since we don't want to miss anybody who's having COVID, we said that we want to actually prime it for higher sensitivity towards COVID.
Besides COVID-19, X-Ray Setu can detect 14 additional lung-related ailments. It can further be used for both analog and digital X-rays.
So that we can detect features out of the X-ray images for not only COVID but also other lung abnormalities. So 14 other lung abnormalities, which includes pneumonia, which could also include other things like TB as well. So what we are looking at is that, of course, I hope that we are able to take care of COVID fairly quickly. But during this, time, we will be actually amassing a fair degree of, data. And with that in mind, one of the future roadmap that we have is that we can extend this to other diseases.
Amid the second wave of COVID-19, it has become critical to ramp up the COVID-19 testing in different parts of the country. And X-Ray Setu has been quite instrumental in addressing the challenges faced by the rural India.
We were not expecting these kind of loads to come in, but we are flooded with X-ray images, and they are coming from all areas, rural parts in Rajasthan. They're coming from northeast. They're coming from Bihar, West Bengal. They're coming from interiors in Karnataka as well as Tamil Nadu. So we are seeing a fairly wide distribution of these X-ray images that are coming in, which shows two things. One, accessibility is still a challenge, and for doctors which are really challenged with time, having a simple way to access the service actually makes a lot of difference.
To address the challenges of the health sector, several hubs of cyber-physical systems established by DST are working on leveraging artificial intelligence. Mr. Umakant Soni also informed about the active support received from the central government.
And this got seed grant from Department of Science and Technology under NMICPS mission, National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber-Physical Mission. And also it got support from Government of Karnataka, Department of IT and PT, to the tune of close to 230 crores. That's the actual support. So we have got wide-ranging support, not just from DST, but also from NITI and MeitY. We've got very good support from them. They've been very helpful, in terms of not only looking at our participation in terms of these problem statements, but also in the larger context.
Technologies like X-Ray Setu can enable cutting-edge AI-driven systems, empowering mobile primary health centers which can make healthcare more accessible across the length and the breadth of the country.
So we have actually a unique chance that we can create technology, especially in area of AI and robotics, which are not just solving local problems, because these problems are representative of problems around the globe. We can actually create global solutions and global companies out of India, and that is where the cyber physical mission has been very useful in supporting such initiatives to gather pace, and that's why we feel that X-Ray Setu is a unique endeavor.
From diagnostics to telemedicine, India has embarked on a journey of self-reliance. The country is successfully leading the fight against COVID-19 with all its might and valor. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.